All right, if you don't have any questions from yesterday's assignment, then the only thing new that you're going to be doing today, it's the same type of assignment. It's got different numbers, but we are going to cover how to do number 8, the problem I told you to skip yesterday. So, this is an example of number 8, all right? It says that a student scored 83 and 91 on 2 quizzes. Write and solve an inequality to find the possible values for a third quiz that would give her an average between 85 and 90 and it says inclusive. All right, that means you're going to include 85 and you're going to include 90 in your solution. So here's how you set up a problem like this. You're trying to find, she's got 2 quiz scores. She's got an 83, she's got a 91, and you're going to add a third score to that. So just call it X. Those 3 scores together, divided by 3, would give you an average score. So if you take the 83, the 91, and a variable, and you add them together, and you divide it by 3, you're going to want that to be greater than or equal to 85, and you're going to want it to be less than or equal to 90. And it's or equal to because of this word inclusive. So it's the 2 scores that she has plus a potential third score divided by 3. You're going to make that greater than or equal to 85, and you're going to make it less than or equal to 90. So she's trying to figure out what she's got to get on the last quiz to have a B average, a high B average. Now you solve it just the way you did yesterday. The first thing you can do is you can combine these like terms. So you can say that 85 is less than or equal to 93 plus, or 83 plus 91. 174 plus X over 3 is less than or equal to 90. The next step is to get this 3 out of the denominator. And in order to do that, you're going to multiply everything by 3. So times 3, and times 3. So 85 times 3 is 255. Is going to be less than or equal to. When you multiply by 3, these 3's cancel. And you're going to have 174 plus X in the middle. And that's going to be less than or equal to 270. Now you've got to subtract 174 from everything. So minus 174 from the middle, the left, and the right. 255 minus 174 equals 81 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 270 minus 174, and that's 96. So what that means is if on the third quiz she gets anything from an 81 to a 96, she'll have a high B average. Her average will be between 85 and 90. Does anybody have any questions about how to set up or complete that problem? If you were asked to graph that, then on the number line you've got an 81 and you've got a 96. You've got a closed circle, and this is all shaded in the middle. Any questions?